Introduction to Energy Engineering. I am John Paul Z. Cabusca from Section BSME 3C. As you can see, this picture is about a nuclear power plant. So, nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plants utilize nuclear reactions like fission to generate heat, which then produce steam to drive turbines, generating electricity. Key principles involve reactor safety, radioactive waste management, and efficient heat transfer. So concepts. There are concepts of nuclear power plant. Nuclear fission, the process where the nucleus of atoms splits, releasing a large amount of energy. Reactor core, house fuel rods containing enriched uranium or plutonium sustaining controlled fission reactions. Control rods regulate the nuclear reactions by absorbing neutrons, adjusting the reactor's power output. Coolant system, transfer heat away from the reactor core to produce steam for electricity generations. Principles: heat transfer, utilizing the heat produced from fission reaction to create steam. Steam turbines, converting thermal energy into a mechanical energy to drive generators. Nuclear safety, implementing redundant safety system to prevent accident to ensure reactor stability. Radioactive waste management, safety handling and disposing of nuclear waste generated during the process. So practices: regular inspections, continuous monitoring and inspections to ensure equipment integrity and safety. Emergency preparedness, developing and practicing response plans for potential accidents or disasters. Regulatory compliance, adhering to strict regulations and guidelines to maintain operational and environmental safety. Training programs, training personnel on safety protocols, emergency procedures, and efficient plant operations. So these elements collectively contribute to the safety and efficient operation of nuclear power plants. So ocean thermal energy, as you can see these pictures, means OTEC. As you can see, evaporator, condenser, generator or turbine, water vapor, drain water, paggawas ang fresh water, water vapor plus also condenser. Ocean thermal energy conversion, OTEC. System hardness, temperature differences between warm surface water and cold deep water to generate power. Concept includes heat exchange, evaporation, condensation. Challenges involve corrosions, resistance, and energy transmission efficiency. So concepts: temperature gradient. OTEC relies on the temperature difference between warm surface and cold deep water. So heat exchange, warm surface water is used to vaporize or a working fluid, typically ammonia or a low boiling point fluid. Evaporation and condensations, the working fluid vaporized in a low pressure environment and the vapor is condensed using cold deep sea water. Turbine system, the vaporized fluid drives a turbine to generate electricity. So principles: a thermodynamics, applying principle of thermodynamic, especially the Rankine cycle, to efficiently convert temperature differences into energy. Efficiency, maximizing the efficiency of heat exchange and power conversions processes to enhance overall system performance. Corrosion resistance, choosing materials that can be withstand and corrosive nature of seawater. Practices: material selection, using corrosion resistance materials for components exposed to seawater to ensure durability. Environmental impact assessment, conducted through assessment to understand and minimize ecological impact of OTEC systems. Energy transmission, efficiently transmitting the generated power to ensure facility of grid systems. and also monitoring and maintenance. Regularly monitor equipment performance and conducting maintenance to ensure the optimal operation.